Good morning, all of you. Let's move on to the next part of our chapter, growing healthy and fit. Today, first we will have a quick recap of balanced diet, about which we have already learned in the previous lecture. Then we will see what are the different measures which help us in preserving the nutrients in food. And then we'll also find out how exercises and proper rest help us to be healthy and fit. Now we know what is a balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet which contains all the nutrients in their right amount. And this balanced diet is needed for the proper growth and functioning of our body. Now tell me, how many nutrients are there? There are 5 nutrients. These are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. And all these 5 nutrients are essential for our growth. Now the requirement of these nutrients varies from person to person. For example, a growing child requires more proteins than an adult for the building of new cells. You know that proteins are body building nutrients. A laborer who does a lot of physical work requires more carbohydrates and fats to get more energy to do his work. Okay, you know that carbohydrates and fats are energy giving nutrients. A sick person requires more vitamins and minerals in his diet to increase his immunity against diseases, because minerals and vitamins are the protective nutrients. We often lose nutrients because of wrong methods of cooking or storing food. Food should be properly washed, cooked and stored so that its nutritional value is not lost. So to eat a healthy diet, we should keep certain things in mind. To remove harmful germs and poisonous pesticides, fruits and vegetables should be washed properly before eating or cooking. And they should be washed before cutting. Why? Because washing cut fruits and vegetables removes some of the nutrients present in them. Pulses and cereals, they should be cooked using the water they are soaked in. Since some of the important water-soluble nutrients of the food pass into the water they are soaked in. So what should be done? First, we should wash them and then soak them in clean water and then cook these pulses and cereals with the soaked water. Food should not be overcooked, as overcooking destroys several nutrients. Cooked food can be stored in refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. It is unhealthy to eat cooked food stored for long time. Food can also be preserved by other methods like dehydration, sweetening, salting, canning, adding vinegar, etc. Besides a proper diet, exercise also plays an important role in keeping us fit and healthy. How? You play several games. So playing games that involve physical exercises are good for the body, not the video games or the games which you play on mobile or laptop, but the games which involve physical exercise, they are very good for our body. Besides that, jogging, swimming, skipping, these also keep our muscles flexible. During workout or exercise, the heart beats fast and lungs take more oxygen, which has a positive effect on our body. And besides all these food, nutrients, exercise, etc., the other important thing is sufficient sleep. Proper rest. Sufficient sleep relaxes our muscles and re-energizes the body and mind. Proper rest sharpens the memory and helps us to grow as the body gets time to repair the damaged cells.